Hello and welcome to Sparta Dev. In this episode, we will install FOSRest bundle and JmsSerializer bundle and configure them. So you hit FOSRest bundle in Google and go to this page. You will have FOSRest bundle here and you need to click setting up the bundle. So first step is to download the FOSRest bundle. In order to do that, we need Composer. And you just Google Composer, download Composer, and you will have this page. If you are using Windows, you could download this setup and you hit next until it's finished, or you could use the command line installation with those lines. After installing Composer, it will be recognized here in the Windows commands. So after adding Composer, we could use this. So we could either choose this way, change directory to our folder, our project folder here, and you paste this, or using PHP store command view tool windows terminal, and you paste it there, and it will download it for you. And after a while, we will have FOSRest bundle installed. We will find it here in front of Symfony2 bundle. So we will complete these steps. We need to enable the bundle. So we need to copy this and go to the app kernel file and add it here. Okay, so that's it for B. The next step C is to enable FSerializer, because FOSRest bundle transforms the data to JSON. So we need the serializer to transform this data. So FOSRest bundle depends on a serializer. We will use the JmsSerializer bundle. It's another bundle that we installed so that FOSRest will use it. So you could type JmsSerializer bundle in Google and you will have this page. So it's the same thing. We need Composer to install this bundle. So you just copy this and paste it in the terminal, and after a while it will be installed. So after a while, JmsSerializer bundle is installed. We will find it in this directory info vendor. So we have it here, and we'll go to the next step, which is adding this line to activate the bundle. So now we have FOSRest bundle installed and activated, and JmsSerializer bundle installed and activated. And now we will configure FOSRest. So we need to go to app config, and we will configure FOSRest with the minimum configuration required to the rest of the tutorial and JWT authentication. So we need to type FOSRest. We need the version loader, which we will specify the default format, which is JSON. Also, we need the view response this true. With that, we configured FOSRest with the minimum configuration required, and in the next tutorial we will use FOSRest and create an API. So see you in the next tutorial.